Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to make some easy peasy biscuits. There are only 3 ingredients and hopefully you will see how simple they are and you can have a go at making these at home. And all you will need some butter and some sugar, caster sugar, and some flour. Now it should be self-raising flour. I could only find plain, but I have just added 2 teaspoons of baking powder to my plain flour and that makes it self-raising. So let's get started. Just need a bowl, wooden spoon, sieve. I'm going to start off with 100 grams of softened butter. I have put the oven on for 180 degrees centigrade, fan 160, gas mark 4. Do that now. Let's get started. 100 grams of butter into my bowl. I've measured all of this out in advance so that I can show you as quickly as possible. And I have softened my butter, left it out in the warm. And all I'm going to do first is just beat. See how soft it is already? You can use margarine, just that the butter is a better taste. So make sure it's nice and soft. And then into that, I'm going to add 50 grams of caster sugar. Tip that in. And then I'm just going to gently stir it. Now, I'm holding this up so that you can see. When you're doing this at home, make sure that your bowl is sitting on the counter. Really make sure that somebody is with you. But just to show you, I'm going to really beat in all that sugar. And look how soft and fluffy that mix is. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly beat it and beat it. Nice and soft. And then into that, I'm going to add 150 grams of the self-raising flour, or 150 grams of plain flour with 2 teaspoons baking powder. And I'm just going to sift in the flour just to make sure that there are no lumps. There we go. And then gently mix in the flour into the soft butter mix. And just do it gently. You don't want to get flour all over the table. But you can see how it's coming together. You see that? And what you're going to do is to make it into a nice ball of dough, like you would Play-Doh, but much tastier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop off all that mixture, and then you need to get your hands dirty. So what I'm going to do now, pull in my dough with my hands very gently. Don't squeeze it too much, but you want all of the mixture in together to make that nice ball of dough. Just have to squidge it a little bit, and then you should end up with a lovely ball of soft biscuit dough. Look at that. Make sure you scoop round your bowl. Don't want to leave any mixture behind. Make sure you've taken off bits off your fingers. And then put them all together. And you should have a lovely round ball of dough. And then all I'm going to do, I'm going to put this onto my counter, but I'm just going to make, I can show you, just roll it slightly like that. Yeah, and you should have, it's like a bit of like a log shape. And that, I'm just going to wash my hands very quickly, make sure that they're nice and clean. And then I need to cut this into 16. So I'm just going to cut straight down the middle in 2, and then each part in 2. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then each one of those I'm going to cut in 2 and those in 2. So all together I will have 16 little portions of the biscuit dough. And then each one I'm going to roll into a little ball. So I have got a tray. I've lined mine with greaseproof paper, but you can just put some, grease it with some butter. And I'm going to take each portion of dough and just gently squeeze it and roll it into a ball. Try not to squeeze it too much, but you want to make sure that you've got some nice balls, even size balls of the dough. And if your hands are very warm, it will melt the butter, so do it as gently and quickly as you can. Don't squeeze it too hard, because otherwise you just have a horrible mess in your hand, and we don't want that. And I'm just going to stop at 8, and then on my tray, just so you can see, I'm going to space them out, just pop them on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my timer, I'm not sure what that's for. And then with my